And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Starter. I'm going to be working on Hyundai Sonata. It is suitable for 2011 through 2014 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You don't need to cut any wires, and it works with your original key. For this car, I'm going to be installing it for the regular key ignition start, and if you have a push button start system, we have a different video for you. But for this one, we're going to be focusing with the regular traditional key start. And I will also show you additional function smart timer. But now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get 2 sets of wires and MyKey Premium module. And for this specific model, let me show you a dip switch. It's set up like this. 1, 2 are up, 3 is down, and everything else is up. And for this installation, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Now we need to unscrew this screw over here. Now we have 2 screws on the side of the wheel. For that, we need to turn the wheel. So you could put the keys into ignition. Turn the wheel, and then we'll see 1 screw over here. And then there's the same one on the other side. Now turn the wheel. Remove the keys, we don't need it anymore. And now we're gonna lower the wheel a little bit and pull it towards you. And we're gonna pop this panel. Just like that, nice and easy. And then now this panel, we'll pull it down. Just like that. We're gonna unplug this connector, plug it in here, and then the other side will go back into the plug. Press the pin and pull it down. Now this connector will go into the harness, and make sure it clicks. Make sure it's all the way in. Nice and tight. I'm going to run the other end straight through here. You can pull it all the way down. Just like so. And now we're going to be disconnecting 2 plugs. It's going to be right above the brake pedal. And we're going to be disconnecting 2 connectors, one here and one over there. One is blue and the other one is gray, and it's further away from you. And all you have to do is press a small pin and pull the connector down. Same thing with the other one. You press the little pin and wiggle it around while you're pulling it down. So now we're going to connect this harness. We're going to connect the connectors that we disconnected from your car. Connect them in here, in this one, and then these 2 connectors will go back into your car's module. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way and make sure it clicks. And now these 2 connectors will go back into the car's module. Always make sure it clicks, otherwise it might not work properly. And now we have these 2 connectors. First one is a data connector. goes first, and the power cable always goes last. It looks like this. Make sure everything works fine as it should before you put everything away. And once you test it, you could simply put this module and these wires behind this panel over here. Or you could zip tie it right above the brake pedal. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. And once you're inside the car is still running. You won't be able to switch gears until you put the keys into ignition. Just like that. And now you're good to go. You will also get an additional function, Smart Timer. What it is you're going to be able to remove the keys from the car, walk out, lock the car, and the car will still running. Now let me demonstrate it for you. The way the Smart Timer works, you just have to open the door like this, remove the keys, the car is still running, the AC and everything is still blowing, and the car will stay running for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to be able to step outside and lock the cars. When this function is activated, make sure when you shut off the engine, don't open the door, shut it up first and then open the door. Otherwise you're going to trigger the function. Just like that. And now you could open the door and leave the car. To activate the Smart Timer, all you have to do is open your door and press the unlock button 3 times. You're gonna hear either 1 beep or 2 beeps. 1 beep means the function is off, and 2 beeps means the function is on. And to activate or deactivate the function is the same procedure. And the way the AC and heater works, make sure you preset all your settings to your preference, and you're gonna be able to remote start your car, and then all the AC or heater unit will be working as you would like. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below if you use this video to install it in your Sonata. Thank you again. Cheers.